Good morning. Today we're going to be working on the Yamaha Bolt. We're going to be doing a rear tire change. I'm going to show you what you need, how to do it, everything. It's going to be all inclusive. Here we go. You're gonna need a torque wrench. You can do it without it, but honestly, tightening things down to spec is always good. I'm gonna leave the torque specs in the description. 2 tire levers, a ratchet, crescent, metric Allen keys, a socket set. Additionally, you're gonna need blue Loctite or red, and some grease for the axle. And you're just gonna want the back tire to be able to move freely. We'll start with these guys. I needed a 27. You need a 10 millimeter, and you're gonna need a 12 millimeter to break the chain stays. You're just gonna back it out. You're gonna wanna remove the brake caliper first. You just don't wanna lose anything, and I just dropped it, so try not to do the same thing. Also, the chain stays are gonna be right here, so they're gonna wanna fall. It just pops right out. Just remember how these are put in here. Exactly how this is put in, because you're gonna have to put it back. Okay, the way we're gonna break the bead is with this right here, but you don't need that. You could really stomp on it, or I've seen techniques where people drive over it back and forth with the car really carefully. I'm gonna use this though, because I don't feel like breaking my rim. Now we're gonna put the tire back on the bike. Alrighty, so I got the tire off. I put the other one on. I think I got a video of both. We'll see once I edit it. The only thing I missed videotaping was snap the bead into place, and the way I did that was I aired it up until I heard 2 pop. One bead will pop into place, and normally the other one will pop in like right afterwards. Deflate it and then air it up to whatever tire pressure needs to be. And we're done. That was it.